Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mr. Yurko here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the zip line challenge. And that is backwards. So we're doing zip lines, okay? And we're going to have a good old time and try to figure this challenge out. I've got to get this army dude up that zip line over there. Going right. That zip line right up here that you can't see. We're going to go from low on the line to high on the low on the pole to high on the pole. So today we're going to go ahead and make that happen. We've got our supplies here. Woo! Ooh, bad camera action. So we've got our supplies here. I've got paper, pencil, scissors, what is this gadget? Pipe cleaner. I got some string, got a straw, some craft sticks, pencil already mentioned, army, got 3 paper clips I've already started bending and playing with, and rubber balloon and a rubber band. So balloons and rubber bands. Where the heck did my rubber band go? Rubber bands. So per the instructions, I'm allowed 1 rubber band, 1 balloon, up to 3 of these guys, up to 3 of these, 1 of these, and then it's a matter of coming up and trying to figure out what to do. So I'm going to refocus the camera here on the supplies, since you don't need to see my ugly mug too much longer. And right on down that to right turn, right, and there. Okay. So we want, no, it's out. Okay. So here's my parts. And what do I need to do? I've got to get this guy up the zip line. The zip line is this line right here. And I have my army dude, my toy soldier here, needs to go up the hill. And it's about 20 feet. If I count the tiles on the floor, take a look on down here, the floor tiles back here, there, are exactly 12 inches. There's about 20 of those from posts to posts. And the dude's gonna get up there. So first thing, let's do some testing, figure out ways we can pick this guy up. I get access to tape, paper. Let's see, I can pick this dude up using hooks. That kind of worked. That was quick and easy. I could rubber band him to something. Stick him on that way. I could tape him to it. And I could possibly tape him to that. I could tie him with a string. All those are true, so those will work. Quick is tape. Tape. Yeah, tape's pretty quick and easy. So let's go with tape him. I gotta hang this, right? So I'm gonna think about how I'm gonna get this on the string, and the string is tied at both ends, so I can't just feed this through the straw. Though, hey, wait a minute, paper clips just hang. They can, that works. You just hang on that. So I'm just gonna hang, there you go, I'll just hang that from paper clip. Now what happens if I just send him, oh, that flung around. Well, that popped off. You know what I can do? I'll straighten this out. And we'll put a bend in here around this pencil. So if I were to do something like that, so dude is gonna hang by the paper clip, and the paper clip's gonna zip around the line. So I got paper clip here. So paper clip goes up, and that doesn't fall off. That's cool. So can I just hang the dude by there and send him up? Just hang him by that. That would be the simplest. He fell off. So maybe he needs to be attached better. I don't like that. I also don't like that he's swinging so much. I feel like we're going to lose a lot of energy just swinging. So I tell you what, think about like when you are, if you want to, if like in sports and stuff, you want to stay stable, you widen your base, your footprint out, right? You go to a wider base. So let's, I got more of these paper clips. Let's do 2 paper clips. So we'll do 2 paper clips. We need to connect them together or something. Got a straw. That works. Oh, yeah. We'll run the straw through here, and we can tape dude to the straw. So dude gets bent around that, and then we get the straw. Okay, I don't want to bend that too much. But how are we going to launch it? So what do I have for launching? I've got a rubber band. I've got some sticks which we could bend and fling. And then we got a balloon. I don't like balloons. Balloons bother me. They're kind of creepy to me. I don't know if I think I'm going to need that. So how about we take and we connect this together. Ooh, we'll slingshot it, and well, that's what we'll do. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna bend this extra paper clip down around and send it out and put another loop in it so I can attach a rubber band. And then, so this will be bent like that. Do one solid doodad. I'll put some tape around here so that I don't bend the stuff. That'll be up there. Dude will be taped to it. I'll pull it back, let it go, and it should fling up. All right. So we'll wrap this around the pencil. If I try to wrap around the straw, I'll destroy the straw. Well, that's being difficult. I'll straighten it out first. All right, what do you think here? Is that work? I don't need that paper wrapper. That's just annoying. There we go. should work. Oh, twisting that. So there you go. Piece of tape. It should hold. And so I need that to go about the same height. I'll wrap that around times. And then I wanted it to go forward. Bend that forward. And I wanted to put a bend in that to hold the rubber band. So down on the pencil. Oh, that hurts a little bit. That's a little hard on the fingers. Like this. There we go. Let's pinch it between there. Rubber band should be able to fit in there. There we go. Oh yeah. Plenty of stress, plenty of flame. So put that here. And we'll tape that together. So this should be able to go in a straight line on the doodad. Should be able to just pull it back and let her go. Now I need to get the dude on here. Get my army man in place. Let's hang him upside down. He'll be okay. He's tough. He's a ranger. Go, ranger. Go. All right. So now I've got my gadget. I got my sketch. Got my gadget. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. But at least I can pull it back and let it go, and it should flip. So let's pause that. All right, we're gonna give this a shot, see if this works. Tried this a couple times. I've done this before, but let's see if it works. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And look at that. Wow! That zipped right on up there. That was quick. So it does work. It does work. So there you have it. I've got a working gadget. I was able to get my Ranger up the zip line, break into the vault, and bonus points for me. You know, I've done this a bunch of times before. This is nothing new. These challenges are meant to be challenges. They're hard. So I totally get it. My first bunch of tries didn't work. This was my manyth try. Kind of didn't feel like showing you guys all the failures, but I knew that this design would work. I've done this before. That's kind of what I try to show you is the process I use for going through the thinking and testing little gadgets and testing how things feel and move. You know, you're going to bring what you got to the table. You're going to have some experience to go with. Everybody, you know what rubber bands feel like. You know what a straw feels like. You know, these are things that you're going to bring to the table. The experiment you're going to get is how to combine these materials and try new things. This works. This is just one of many possible solutions. I saw several other solutions. I've seen many other solutions work over the years. People using the balloons as propellant, inflating the balloons, or using them as a slingshot. I've seen people building separate slingshots, pulling the things back. I saw people trying to use gravity to get things going by dropping things and forming a sling that way, a catapult-like thing, trebuchet. There's lots of solutions. In order to find solutions that are successful and that work, you got to be willing to break some eggs, make some failures, and that's all part of the process. Just don't give up. Keep being creative. Keep having fun. And as always, keep being awesome.